Good afternoon, everyone. Our presentation is titled Mission Compatibility and Cohesion, a project synergy analysis of MI Squad featuring team members Vraj, Sanskar, and Dipshu. And this analysis is grounded in organizational behavior theory, exploring how our team, known as the MI Squad, rapidly transformed into high performance group under a simulated mission environment. We'll discuss how individual personalities, teamwork dynamics, and collective performance aligned with key OB frameworks to extract universal lessons on team effectiveness. Essentially, this presentation maps our team's journey from formation to performance and evaluates what made us compatible, where we faced friction, and how we ultimately developed cohesion. Moreover, in slide 2, we discuss about the Tuxman stages of group development. To understand our team's progression, we first apply Tuxman 5 stages of group development: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. During the forming stage, our interactions were polite but uncertain as we were still defining our roles. In the storming stage, conflicts arose due to differing communication styles and varying leadership tendencies, especially when making quick decisions under time pressure. As we moved into norming, cohesion began to build. We clarified responsibilities, established behavioral standards, and developed mutual trust. Finally, during the performing stage, our synergy was evident as we tackled the mission challenges with minimal supervision and maximum collaboration. The adjourning stage followed naturally after task completion, where we reflected on lessons learned and evaluated our team performance. Tuxman model effectively help us identify where teamwork matured and where it temporarily regressed under stress. In slide 3, we discussed about Belbin's team roles. In next, we applied Belbin team role theory, which identifies 9 distinct roles grouped into 3 categories: action oriented, people oriented, and thought oriented. In our team, Vraj naturally took the coordinator and shaper roles, ensuring progress and focus, and Sanskar demonstrated implementer and team worker traits, maintaining structure and harmony. And whereas I, Dipshudiman, displayed monitor, evaluator, and resource investigator behaviors, focusing on analysis and idea exploration, this combination allowed us to balance creativity with execution. However, Belbin's model also revealed minor gaps, particularly in the completer finisher role, which caused slight lapses in time management. Overall, the model validated the teams with complementary roles, experience fewer conflicts, and highest energy, while unbalanced role distribution can cause friction and inefficiency. Moreover, I would like Sanskar to take over and continue with the slide 4.
Thank you so much, Deep. Appreciate that. Now we are on slide 4. Kolb's experiential learning cycle. Our mission experience perfectly aligns with Kolb's experiential learning cycle, which is called ELC, which includes 4 key stages: concrete experience, that involvement in the simulated mission; second, reflective observation, team discussion, and peer reviews after each challenge; third, abstract conceptualization, deriving insight from these reflections, linking them to OB theory; fourth, active experimentation, applying new strategies in the next round of challenges. This learning loop helped us continuously adapt. For instance, when communication broke down during one challenge, we used reflection to design a quick communication protocol, which we tested immediately in the next task. Through Kolb's framework, we not only performed tasks but also transformed each experience into learning opportunity, closing the loop between actions and reflection. Now we are on slide 5, which is called Method, Data Collection and Group Process. Our analysis used both quantity and quality methods to ensure objectivity. Initially, each member completed a pre-test reflection listing their essential team qualities. Next, we conducted an MI personality test assigning the 6 organization behavior domains, including leadership, adaptability, and trustworthiness. A team compatibility analysis was performed to identify average scores and potential deviations. The final mission simulation consisted of 8 team challenges that tested real world coordination. Throughout the process, we maintained hybrid collaboration, both online and in person. Importantly, we built psychology safety, ensuring every member felt valued and comfortable voicing options. This construct not only enhanced our performance but also allowed data backed insight into how team compatibility translates into practical cohesion. Now we are on slide 6, which is called results and analysis. Our data reflected both diversity and complementarity. Pre-test reflections revealed various strengths like Raj excelled in leadership, me in adaptability, and Dipshu in analytic thinking. However, the personality tests show significant difference in leadership and trustworthiness, indicating a risk of early stage friction. These differences were validated in practice. Our team experienced a brief storming phase during Mission 3, driven by completely leadership instincts. To overcome this, we implemented a consequence based decision making and leveraged each member's strengths for situational leaderships. Ultimately, our team achieved consistent performance across 6 out of 8 challenges, aligning closing with the performance stage in Taxman model. This shows the structure, reflection, and adaptive leadership's effectively converted into friction and synergy. Now we are continuing with the verge. Verge.
Thank you, Sanskar. Now, in slide 7, critical reflection and peer review. Our critical reflection provided invaluable individual insights. Leverage recognizes the need for situable leadership, balancing authorities, facilities. Sanskar identified the importance of structured communication, especially under pressure. Uh, Dipshu noted the need of faster adaptability in certain situations. Poor, poor feedback confirmed this self-assessment, emphasizing improvement and in coordination and response time. Collectively, we recommend conducting forming normal sessions before future project to establish clear communication protocols and decision matrices. This reflection emphasizes the team development is interactive. Effective teams must consequently learn, adapt, and defend their processes. While the last and the case slide, the conclusion. In conclusion, the Mission Impossible stipulation provided an immersive experience that showed the real dynamics of team information and performance. We learned that compatibility metrics can be predict friction points. Theoretical models like Truckmans and Belbin's provide read maps for improvement. And collapse leading recycle ensures that every uh, becomes a foundation for growth. Our MI score demonstrated that high performing teams are not born, they are built through self awareness, structured communications, and reflective learning. And ultimately, the experience has squeezed with automotive insight that can be applied to any organizational context requiring collaboration, leadership, and credibility. Thank you.